One thing about me is I love some good watermelon. I cut this up yesterday, filled this whole thing up with watermelon, and now it's gone. Look at that. Ugh. So good. I've had a lot of good luck this summer finding watermelon. I haven't gotten a bad one yet. Because you know with watermelon, like, it's kind of hard to tell. But so far, whatever I'm doing is working because these have been so good. Also, our flag fell down because it always is falling down. I made a makeshift tripod so that y'all could see inside the bowl. And you're on my water bottle rubber banded to my straw. Like, don't tell me that doesn't look fantastic. Also, look at my lip stain. It's staying on even when I'm sucking the life out of this watermelon. Amazing. This is my breakfast today.